Hello, I'm Dr. Ruth Cherry, and I write books for transformation. Isn't it time that we move beyond religion and rules and belief into honest spirituality, which is based on personal experience? Religion offers community, which feels comforting, and guidelines for behavior, which build character. But true spirituality requires an adult's presence to her own experience. Thinking about what an authority tells us is, at best, a jumping-off point for us to assume our own authority. Developing your personal spirituality means that you choose to participate with life as an adult. You own your responsibility not only for your behavior, but for your thoughts and for conflicts lying just below your awareness. You know that at your center, you are a spiritual being having a human experience. You accept that this lifetime is a gift for you to learn some truths, and wisely you surrender. You know that change is a constant, and you release your hold on anything, everything, appreciating in this moment what you've been given, but not demanding that it continue. The emphasis is on attending. What am I supposed to learn from this frustration? What is my lesson in losing what I had loved? How am I gifted by the obstacles that block my hoped-for path? We pay attention to the details of our lives in a non-proprietary way. Through our surrender, we see patterns in our experience. We learn to listen to life and to trust its tugs. We notice that we're asked to submit and to receive. We practice presence. We experience everything, and we release. We practice gratitude, especially for what we don't like. And we notice that the details of the day lead us deeper within ourselves. When we pay attention to what happens to us, we are led to what happens within us. We learn more by observing than by attempting to direct. When we appreciate the unity of the outside world and the inside world, then we truly experience our own spirituality. Spirituality is oneness. When we embrace our spirituality, we say yes to everything that happens because we know that we're one with everything. We accept that life is an adventure, and we are the students, and we're open to learn. Openness, attention, and surrender are the hallmarks of a mature spirituality. My books for transformation are Living in the Flow, Practicing Vibrational Alignment, Accepting Unconditional Love, Open Your Heart, and Transformation Workbook. I'd like to give you a PDF of Living in the Flow, Practicing Vibrational Alignment. So if you go to my website, meditationintro.com, and leave your contact information, I'll send it to you. All I ask in return is that you send me your thoughts, your comments, your reactions after you've read the book. Thank you.